Hello everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to see your Wi-Fi passwords on iPhone. Here's how to find it. Look for an app that is called Password on your iPhone. Open it. Here you're going to see all the saved password on your iPhone. Now go to Wi-Fi. You're going to see all the Wi-Fi you have connected on your iPhone. Click on the one you want to check the password and tap on the password. It's going to show you the password. Or you go to your Wi-Fi settings and click on the Wi-Fi, and here you're going to see the password. When you click on it, it will show you the password. So that's how you find your Wi-Fi password on your iPhone. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.